Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using the ABH Norvina Volume 2 eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take that dark brown shade and put that on my lids, and then I'm going to take the other shade of brown and put that in my crease. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted about my uploads. So I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos because that helps my channel and it helps with my content being shown. Now I'm putting on my Ioni Wispy medium cat eyelashes and using my House of Lashes eyelash glue. To make sure there's no gap showing while I put my lashes, I'm going to use the Sephora eye pencil, and then I'm going to use the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For my primer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Before I put on my foundation, I'm going to use the Be Pure Blurring Press Powder in Medium Deep. And this is just to keep my makeup matte and to keep my face from getting oily. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Medium 3 Praline. I'm just putting this to places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Beauty Bay bronzer in Chestnut. I'm just going to use this to contour my nose and bronze my face. Next, I'm using the Huda Beauty Setting Powder in Cinnamon Bun. And I'm just using this to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Now I'm using the Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice Blush Palette. I'm just using that shade for my blush. Next, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter, and I'm just going to take that shade and use that to highlight. For lips, I'm using the Buxom Full Force Plumping Lipstick in Icon, and I'm using the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie. Now I'm using the Morphe setting spray to set my face. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this smoky brown eyeshadow look that I did. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, because as I mentioned before, that helps my channel and it helps with my content being shown. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. And please comment. I would love to hear from you all. You know, if you have any suggestions as far as makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.